Hi guys, now Volvo XC40 we have installed the NOCO onboard battery charger. This is a 2-bank charger, which means that it can charge both the main starter battery and the 12-volt support battery located down in the engine bay by the left wheel. Right now we'll connect the power using the extension, and the main power cable is hidden or located close to the charger. You simply need to unwrap it and connect to the power. Now we'll press the mode button on both batteries. We have to choose the AGM option. Do it with the second one as well. And shortly, guys, our charger will be charging both batteries. You will see these LED indicator lights. And now both batteries are being charged. The main reason why we install this charger is that if you don't drive often, or if you only do short trips, batteries won't have enough time to charge, and this will significantly decrease the lifespan of both batteries. Besides that, when the capacity of the support battery falls below a certain level, the start and stop function won't work either. Batteries need to be charged fully regularly to have the maximum service life, and even Volvo itself recommends to use the battery maintainer when you don't drive your car. The first bank, which is on the left, is charging our main starter battery, and the one on the right charges our support battery. As you can see, the support battery is now fully charged, but the main starter battery is still being charged. We chose this location to install the charger in the vehicle. It allows us to only use external power, external cable to power the charger and charge both batteries. The rest of the cables are already connected to the main starter battery and to the support battery. The problem with the support battery is that you cannot easily reach it if you use the regular battery charger. We had to remove the fender liner and connect the positive and negative cables to the battery terminals permanently. The cable goes from the battery terminals, then the cable proceeds approximately in this area and reaches our charger. Also, in order to install the cable for the support battery, we had to remove the air filter assembly. As for the starter battery, the positive cable was connected right here to the main positive terminal. You can see this is our connector. It's using M10 eyelet terminal connector. Then we ran the wire like this, so it keeps going this way, goes actually down first and then goes back up and gets connected to our charger. And as you can see, we used the split sleeve for the whole length of our cable to further protect it from wear and tear. The negative cable, which you can see right here, was connected to the dedicated negative point in the Volvo. Then the wire proceeds approximately in this area and reaches the main cable right here. The device itself was installed on a small platform, and we installed the strap on top. You can easily remove it. We use some Velcro right here to secure it in place, and this is how it looks on the vehicle. This solution works great in our case, but of course you're free to improvise when you do it yourself. Now I would like to say a few words about the charger itself. It is a very safe and smart device. It is very sturdy and is IP68 waterproof. It will first charge your batteries and then switch to the maintaining mode. So in case of our support battery, right now the red LED is solid, which means that the battery is fully charged and it is maintaining the support battery right now. In case of our starter battery, it is still charging it. It will keep your batteries fully charged and you can leave it connected indefinitely and it won't overcharge your batteries. It supplies 5 amps of current to each battery and for example can charge the main starter battery down from 50% to 100% in about 8 hours. And the small support battery can be charged in less than an hour. This means that you can connect it to the power overnight and in the morning your batteries will be fully charged. And by the way guys, we have a more detailed review video of this charger and I will leave you link in the description. Another thing that we would like to add is that recently we had to replace the small support battery because it died prematurely. These AGM batteries, if used properly, can last over 10 years. Ours died only after 4 years. The reason for that is that our support battery was constantly left undercharged and eventually died because we were not driving often, as I said before, and we were doing short trips. So by having this type of charger, you can not only have your batteries charged properly, all your functions will work properly in the vehicle as well. And you guys will save money on the battery replacement in the long run, because as you know, the Volvo labor is not cheap. I hope this video will be helpful if you plan to install your own battery charger. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.